at the end of the day, I truly believe that Victor Thunderchild did not deserve to die from COVID-19. And he did put out a plea several days before urging the government to vaccinate health education staff. In addition, obviously, to the healthcare workers, grocery store clerks, etc. We need to get vaccinated. The cases and the variants of concern are definitely a concern for myself. And I'm sure that they are probably a concern for many other people around the province here. About a year ago, my husband went into the hospital with what we thought was complications with gallstones, and ended up getting diagnosed with a rare form of cancer. He underwent chemotherapy. He started chemotherapy the day before our son was born. So we got pretty good at hand washing and wearing masks and everything like that, even before the pandemic had actually started. He ended up being in the hospital for 7 months over the course of 2020, recovering from complications due to chemotherapy. And when he was finally let home, obviously during the majority of the pandemic, we kept our bubble small and tight to begin with anyway to protect him. But it was important to us to make sure that we were protecting my husband as well, because had he contracted COVID-19, it would have been a huge uphill battle for him. The other reason, obviously, that we have kept our bubble really small and tight is because I do work in a school. You just never know what you're going to catch or pass along. And one of my greatest fears was being a asymptomatic carrier and passing it along to families and to students who we don't know like what their medical concerns are or anything like that. So I was just trying to be really conscientious and watching out for my students and colleagues and everything as well.